Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe InDesign as a free trial on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type Adobe InDesign in the search bar. Press enter and click on the official Adobe website. Adobe offers a 7-day free trial for InDesign, and depending on the plan you choose, it might extend up to 14 days. You can fully explore the app during this period and cancel before the trial ends to avoid any charges. Click the link that says Download Free Trial. Select InDesign. Also notice an option for Creative Cloud All Apps. This includes InDesign along with Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and other Adobe tools. Then choose a plan. Click Continue. Don't worry, it's just for the trial, and the total will show $0. Now, proceed to the payment section. Enter your credit or debit card details. You'll see the trial terms displayed. Billing starts after the free trial ends, but you can cancel before that, for example, before August 9th, to avoid being charged. Once you complete the steps, your free trial for Adobe InDesign will start. You can now begin designing magazines, brochures, posters, and more using professional tools. And that's it. That's how to download and activate Adobe InDesign's free trial on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.